Another one of my favorite deals. Look at the size of this main room up front here. This is 130 meters squared, so just less than 1,400 square feet, let's say. And a massive front room. This has got to be like 40 feet long, from kitchen right through the entranceway to the other living room over here. Like, this is a great room. And this is all windows out front. So super bright. You've got an entrance that comes up off the driveway here, and then a sitting living room here, a dining room up front, however you want to do it, and the kitchen back here, a secondary entrance here, and then 2 bedrooms with 2 en-suites attached to them. This one has access from the main hallway, so they don't need to go through your bedroom if you want to access that bathroom there for your company. You really don't need these gates anymore on this building. The gates were put there when it was, much older. But, I mean, security up here is pretty good. There's 60 cameras around this location. This is Caribe Campo, Terraza Tropimar. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 130 meters squared. Both bedrooms have these balconies off them. Again, these gates can be cut right off, sold for scrap. That's the secondary bedroom over here, depending on how you look at it. So there's 2 balconies, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 130 meters, $325 a month is the HOA here. So $250 American per square meter per month. 130 meters times 250. I'm pretty sure it's $325 HOA per month. Completely functional, comes completely furnished, and at this price, $129 is a steal. The rooftop unit with the same measurements as this one, with access to the roof, which is also a liability, because if the roof, you get exclusive rights to the roof, but if it leaks, you need to repair it. Sold for $150 recently. Well, a year ago or more. And it was probably in similar shape, but this one right now, $129. A great deal for something of this size and this flexibility. And 2 bedrooms are tough to find in this complex, especially for rent. This one also, he would consider renting $1,200 per month. But again, it's going to be short term in this market because he'd rather sell it. So unless the new buyer wants to keep you as a tenant, it'll be a short term lease or short term rent. But he is open to leasing as well at $1,200, negotiable depending on the length and how much you pay up front. So my name is Jim Fannin. You can call anytime, text or WhatsApp is best, 809-330-8926. That's 1-809-330-8926. Email buyingdominicanrepublic@gmail.com.